Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to add coupons in Wix website. Adding a coupon in your Wix website is super easy process. First of all, log into your Wix account and just go to your Wix website dashboard. Once you are in your site dashboard, scroll down and hover over on marketing and hover over on discounts, and here click on coupons. And now to create a new coupon, just click here. Now select the type of coupon you want to offer. For example, I'm selecting here discount, and now in this coupon code, just write your coupon code here. And now in this coupon name box, you can write a coupon name. So I'm just adding same as coupon code, and in this discount field just write your discount amount. And if you want to add discount percent discount, then you have to select this discount option, and to add a fixed amount discount, just select this discount. Apply to, click here, and if you want to apply the discount coupon for all your services or all products, then here select all services or all products, or you can select any different options from here. And now valid between, you can select any date, and you can also enable or disable end date for the discount coupon. And now just click on create coupon. And that's it. So as you can see, I've successfully created a discount coupon in my Wix website. And now on, anyone will be able to easily use this coupon code to get a discount. And now if you want to delete any coupon code, just click on this three dot next to the specific coupon, and here you can deactivate the coupon, you can delete it, you can duplicate, or you can edit it from here. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.